In this video, I will show you how to sign in to My Service Canada account. So first, just go and open a browser, go to the URL section and type MSCA. Hit the enter button. You should find yourself here. Make sure to go to the website that has canada.ca, click on that, and you will find yourself in this dashboard. Here, you can choose your sign-in method. You'll see three common options: Interac sign in partner, GCKey username and password, and provincial sign-in, BC and AB only. So the first option, you can use your online banking credentials from a participant's Canadian bank. The second option, you can use your Governments of Canada username and password. If you don't have one, you can create a GCKey account. And the third option is basically available for supported provincial digital IDs such as alberta.ca account or BC services card only. So as an example, if you click on the first option, you'll have to choose your bank accounts that you have, as example TD Bank, and you will have to sign in using those credentials. You'll have to sign into that bank and you'll be signed into My Services Canada accounts page. If you choose the second option, you will need your basically username and password. You'll have to enter your GCK username password. If you choose the third option, as I said, you'll need to sign in with your provincial ID. So you either have alberta.ca account or BC services card. Of course, once you're signed in, you'll have to continue to the authentication, complete the multi-factor authentication, and you'll be able to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet though, you can go here and click on register for an account and choose one of the three following options that you can sign in with. In the future, you can create an account using your bank account, as example, or your government, as example, username and password that's issued by Canada, or you can use your alberta.ca account or BC services card. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.